Here's a quick tip. When you're selecting your units for a project, generally you want to leave this in Unitless. It's okay to have it in feet. However, if you bring in a different drawing into your drawing and the other drawing has a unit other than feet, it's going to make a conversion. Whereas if you leave this in Unitless, there's not going to be any conversion made. We recently found out that some surveyors use US survey feet and other surveyors use international feet, and there's a difference of about 2 parts per million. So if we select feet for our units and then we obtain a survey that's in US survey feet, it's going to make a conversion, which over the course of the site is not going to make a big difference, but based upon a state plane coordinate system with the initial coordinates being 0, your site is likely a long ways away from that 0, and so there is going to be a difference and it's going to not line up. So choosing Unitless for the units of your drawing is the safe play, because no matter which drawing you bring in, there won't be any conversion made because you have Unitless chosen.